Good morning, everybody. It's Marlon here. Thursday morning, on a job, trying to finish up like always, trying to beat the rain. We got a little demo job we started yesterday. Neat little job tearing out the let me turn you around here. Tearing out a patio back here in the back. Not a patio, but some walls around the patio. Back here in the back. And what we're doing, we got the truck pulled down here. I'm gonna turn you around here. Got the dump trailer. We use that dump trailer a lot. And we sold our big dump truck, sold our ton truck. But I actually bought another truck. I bought a truck from my brother, and we haven't got it yet. It'll be showing up here sometime. Hadn't got it. We're not in a hurry to get it. But anyway, what I want to show you this morning, we've got the dump trailer down here, putting this debris in the dump trailer. I'm gonna take it back to the farm. I've got a hole down there. I'm trying to get filled in and get some more parking. But what I really want to show you, the company we're working for, they've got these mats. I don't know exactly what they're called. Yeah, too. Alterna mats. Let me see if I can read that right. Alterna mats. I'll get the correct name. I can't see without my glasses, but you can see right there. It's got those cleats on it, real thick. Takes the place of plywood. Now I don't know what these things cost. I know they're pretty expensive, but I tell you what, coming down this little old slope right here, I didn't know if that little track machine would go down that slope right there and get back up, as wet as it is and the tracks and all. I hadn't had a bit of problem with it, but we're gonna look in to see about getting some of these things. It'd be kind of like investments. You know, you buy plywood, it gets wet, heavy. Which I tell you what, these things are heavy. They're heavy, but they're heavy duty. And out there you can see that one, we got it turned upside down with that little old diamond shaped cleats on it, I guess what you'd call it. Pretty neat. First time I'd ever used these things, but you can see Weston. You can see Weston right there. That old thing's pretty heavy right there on the end. But just going down there, stopping, not slipping and sliding. You can see the mud on the tracks. Pretty damp. Rain day before yesterday, pretty hard. Night before last. Right there. Not a bit of problem. I just walked right back up the hill. I'm gonna go back here. Got a little bit of cutting to do. Got my helmet. These boys, they own me about this safety equipment. Got my helmet. Got a mask. We're gonna cut this wall, get this thing fixed up. They call for rain today, coming in here in about 2 hours. We're gonna try to button this thing up and get on to something else. We're gonna leave these mats for the outfit that's coming. But I'll film a little bit more. We get it up, take a blower and stand that grass back up. We're gonna take a look, see how it did. You know, it's not gonna be perfect, but be a whole lot better. I'll show you where we didn't use the mats, up here in this little old walkway. You can see how much it's rutted up right here. And this through this bed, pretty wet. Plywood there, you can see where the plywood is broke. They're not saying the plywood's not, that's what we use. We use plywood, but I'll tell you what, that might be an investment we look into. Investing in some of these mats, maybe buy one or two at a time. See what we got. Let me get at it here. I'll check in here in just a little bit. All right, folks, let me show you what we got right here. We got a few little old tracks right here where we come in yesterday before we had those panels down. Those big mats. But this right here, this old ground's wet right here. But you can see we took the blower and stood the grass back up. Right there, pretty neat deal. Let me catch this phone right quick. That's what we got. That's the finished product right there. All right, everybody. That grass stood up right there pretty good. You can see the difference. I kind of showed you there the difference in that little walkway where that thing smashed down. We blowed that grass. That wasn't too much damage right there for as wet as it was. But those mats, I think those mats cost somewhere around $380, $400, probably $425 time you put the tax on, maybe $450. That's quite a bit of money for those things. But it would be an investment for sure. But I hope you guys like this video. If you do, how about hitting that button for us, and we'll catch you on the next one.